So yes, now my screen is visible to all. Yes, is my screen visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically,
Yes,
till week four, what we discussed that how we simplify the Boolean equation. So week four, we discuss simplify the Boolean expression. Okay. For this one, we use some rules, either the associative rule, distributive rule, along with that, we apply the De Morgan theorems. Okay, so we use these rules till now. Now, the second way is that the problem is that every answer should be different. Like for example, if I say that A B C plus A bar, B C plus A B bar C, like for example. So one option is this one. Okay. Second, if anyone use these two particularly part and club this one. So A, B, A and C is the common. So remaining is A plus A bar plus A B bar C. Okay, this is one. So answer is also BC plus A B bar C. Okay. Other one said this is the second solution. Third one is that if we combine these two, so I just take the AC common, B plus B bar plus A bar BC. So from that one, what we are getting, this is the AC plus A bar BC. This is the third option. Fourth option is that if I club these two also, so TC as a common, so it is A plus A bar B. Apply the distributive law, so C A plus B. So AC plus BC. Okay, this one is also AC plus BC. So multiple options are possible with the help of this one. We don't know that how much we have to solve this. Okay, no one says that this is the wrong. No one says that this is the wrong. No one says that this is the wrong. And no one says this is the wrong. Okay, now when the equation Boolean expression is complex, a little bit complex, complex answer is also different. Now, other thing is that when the Boolean expression is five variable, when the Boolean expression is four and more than four, then it is quite okay, then quite complex to solve using Boolean simplification. Okay, so for this purpose, what we do, we go to the next step technique that is known as the card mode, or we call the game. Okay. Okay. The first thing with the K map is that when we define the indexing, so Okay, man. We use gray level. Any idea about the gray level code?
Yes, when we have only one bit change in adjacent band value, then they are the gray level
Okay.
representation.
So basically, it is a unit distance code. Unit distance code. What is the meaning of unit distance code? Like for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we represent in a binary, so it is a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Basically, here to here only one bit is changed. When we go to this one, two bit is changed. Okay, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Again, from this to this, one bit is changed. And from this to this, 3 bit is changed. Okay, so basically, the distance between the adjacent representation of the binary number, the number of bits changes are different. Number of basically, we can say that distance is different. Okay, so to better that we can represent in the gray. The gray level code, the representation 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So basically every time only one bit is changed. Every time only one bit. Okay, so this type of this type. Okay, so basically one thing is that when we define the QMS, we use the frame. Second,
Sir, one question.
yeah,
So can you scroll up a little? Yeah, sir. Here, so we have 010, and from here we go to 110. So when you say one bit change, any one bit can change, right?
any one bit can.
Okay, 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 okay,
So that distance is called the distance is basically the change in the bits,
okay,
change in bits.
okay, okay, sir.
It doesn't mean that it is a LSB bit or MSB bit.
Okay,
Your, I think your doubt is that if LSB is changed, so we represent that 2 raised to power 0 is 1, distance is 1. If the
right,
MSB is changed, so 2 raised to power 2 we represent the distance is 4.
right.
But this is not actually this not on the basis of weighted. We are not saying that it is a weighted distance. It is a normal distance.
Okay. So given a sequence, if any one changes, so any one bit can change in that particular sequence.
Yeah, any one bit can change.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And for this one, we calculate the gray code also for that
Okay.
one. Not exactly. Like for example, if we have a 5, okay, so the 5 the number is 101, but what is the gray level code? Any bit can be changed, so we can calculate the gray code of that. So I think you are aware with that one. So how we calculate? Just same as the MSB bit is the same. XORing is these two. So 10 XORing is 1, 10 XORing is 1. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the gray level code.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now how to simplify? The first thing is that we have to create a group Okay. The first condition is a priority is that if it is a two variable, we try that in the two variable, four possible values are possible. Okay. So the first priority is that group of four mean terms. Second, group of two mean terms. Last one is the group of one mean term. It is a three variable. So the group of eight mean terms is the first priority. Then four mean term. Then two mean term. Then one. And if it is a four variable, we try to group a 16 mean term, 8 mean term, 4 mean term, 2 mean term, last is a 1 mean term. Similar to the if we go to the 5 and 6 variables, according to this one, the sequence is like that. Okay, so first priority is the maximum mean term will be covered. Okay, now if we go with the first particularly possible. Now the how we define that basically when we create a group, after that we have to represent the mean term with respect to this one or SOP term with respect to this one. So if a group of four mean terms will be created in a two variable K map. Okay, so the possible variable, the available variable is no variable. So basically the answer is one. Answer is one. That means no variable. I just explained this one also. Similarly, if we are talking about the three variable K map, so if group of eight will be created, the answer is one. That means no variable. This particular term is not dependent in any variable. Okay. Now, if we are going to the two group of two mean terms, so basically one variable equation is there. One variable equation. Okay. If we create a group of one, two variable equations. Similarly, if we are going to the three variables, so for four mean term group, one variable, for two mean term group, two variable, and for the one mean term group, three variable equation. Okay, and for the 16, for the four variable 16, no variable, for the 8, one variable, for the 4, two variable, for the 2, three variable, and for the 1, four variable. Question is, okay, four variable equation or four variable term is there. Clear? Any doubt in this one? I just explained with the example also. Shall we move forward?
Sir,
Yeah,
actually, I have a doubt in this.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, like that, similarly, can we create a group of max terms?
Yeah, we can create a group of max term also. I just go with the initially we go with the mean term. After that we create the max term part.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
no, it is a confusing part between the mean term and max term. So I just separate this mean term and max term. So first I explain mean term. You clear your mean term doubt, and after that we go to the max term. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Any other doubts? Move forward. Student, any doubt in this one? The thing is that if two variable K map, so what is the maximum possible combination is either a combination of four mean terms, either a combination of two mean terms, either a combination of one mean term. If combination of four mean term will be created, so there is no variable is. This particular term is dependent, is independent with dependent, not dependent on any variable. Okay, if it is a two mean term group, so this particularly term will be dependent on one variable. Okay, if it is a one mean term group, so it is a dependent on two mean variable. Okay. Now, how we create the group? The possible is that line group is possible. That means if mean terms are available in a line, in a single group, so line group is possible. The column group is possible. Corner group is possible. The left and right column, leftmost and rightmost column group is possible. Most. Okay, but the condition is that no mean term is remaining for it. Second thing, if we extend the group size by considering the mean terms that is already used, possible. That is already used, possible. Clear? So I start with the two variable K map. That is a simple two variable K map. Like y of AB is sigma m1 and 3. So basically, two variables are there, A and B. Okay, two variables are there. Now the value of A is 0 and 1 is possible. Similarly, the variable B is 0 and 1 is possible. Okay, to combine this one 0 0, combine this one 0 1, combine this one 1 0, combine this one 1. Okay, why I write this one? I write initially A as a for MSB and B as a LSB because it is given from Y A B. What should it represent? It represents that A is the MSB part and B is the LSB part. B is the LSB. Okay, so I just write this one. So it becomes, what is the decimal value? 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now where the mean term is available? Mean term is available at 1. So I just write the mean term is 1 and mean term is 3. Now we create a group. Okay, so first thing is that if it is a two variable, we just check that first group is preferable group is the all four mean terms will be found. Okay, but you see that only two mean terms are defined. Only two mean terms are defined. So now what we go to the second, a group of two mean terms. So now we can see that a group of two mean terms. So I just create a group of 2. Okay, so grouping is created. Now how we write the equation? So the value of y AB is, or value of y is, now we create a group. Now check the parameters, the variables value. Now you can see that for this group, the value of A is changed, but the value of B is constant. Okay, so we only mention those variables whose values are constant. Whose values are constant. So you can see the value of B is constant. So value of B is constant. What is the value? Value is 1, so we are using the B. If it is a B bar, value 0 will be group, so B bar. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, either we can simplify A1, so it becomes A bar B plus 3, it is AB. Now take a B as a common, so it becomes A plus A bar. Okay. So from this one and this one we are getting the same answer. Okay.
Sir, so the K-map will give us a single answer, and the
Not
simplification.
not exactly same single answer, because
Sing-
if we create a group in a different way, the
Okay.
answer will be different.
Okay, but it will represent the same whatever is given. Okay.
Now if we go to the 3 variable, 2 variable is very simple. Now we go to the 3 variable, check the spaces. 3 variable. So y a b c is equal to sigma m 0 2 4 6, like this. Okay, so now it is up to you which side you are taking variable, which one variable, and which side you are taking the which variable. Like I am using the a variable this side and b and c variable this side.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in two variable, actually when midterm is came on 0, 0 and 1, 1. So how can we group?
0 and 1.
No, sir. The midterms come, yes,
Like
on
for
0, 0
example, you are
and 1,
seeing
1.
this one is the
And
1 meter and this one is the 1 meter.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Right.
so we create a single group.
Okay. Why we not create a diagonally?
We are not using diagonally. Either we use the row grouping in a row grouping in a column, or basically we use the corners. But in the 2 variable, corner is not possible.
Why?
Because if you see that, like for example, if you create a group of this one, like I am creating a group of this one. Okay. Now can you tell me for this group which variable value is constant?
No one.
No one. So that
Yes.
means A is variable and B is also variable. So in this equation, when I create a group of this one, so A and B both variable effect will be there. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Now when I go to the table, if we create a group of 2 mean terms, so one variable is possible, but we can see that A and B both are changes.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
variable effect of A and B both are will be having.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Okay. Means we have only group midterms in horizontally या फिर vertically.
Horizontally, vertically, and basically we use the corners also. Okay, but
Okay.
only the condition is that only if we use the corners, so the value of corners will be only one
Corners
one predicate.
means on that particular row या column ना.
Corners, if we are talking about a 4, like we will discuss in the 4
Because
variable.
uh,
We will discuss in the 4
because in,
variable.
because in previous situation I was tell you in the one 0, 0 and 1, 1 are also on corner part,
No,
but
that is corner is only available in the 4 variables. Till now, the no corners option is available. Why? Because if we see check that, like if we are choosing this is the corner, so this one is a 0 0, this one is a 1 1. So basically,
Okay.
on 2 bits variation are possible. Okay. So if I write a equation, so what is my equation? We create a group of 2 mean terms, so that means only one variable is possible. One will be constant. So can you tell me for this group which variable is constant?
No one any.
No one is constant. Okay. So the corner part will be available in the four variable K map. Till now, no
Okay.
corner.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now the A, B, C. So because A is 0 and 1, B, C is 0 0, 0 1, gray label 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. Now it is a 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 0. Okay. So the mean term is defined as 0. So one mean term is there. The mean term is defined as 2 here. The mean term is defined as a 4 here. The mean term is defined as a 6 here. Okay. So basically, either we create a column group. So I can create a one group column, this one, okay, or I can create a one group column. This one. So two groups are created. Clear? Second thing is that if we check, so basically we can create a leftmost and rightmost column. We can do the leftmost and rightmost column. Why? Because now you can see when we create a group, one variable C is constant. Okay. So if one variable is constant, we can create it. Okay. So what is the y? Y of A, B, C. Now, if this is a group, so the value of A is variable. Value of A is variable, so we are not considering A. The value of B is variable, 0 and 1. We are not considering B. The value of C is 0, so it becomes C bar. Finally, A, Y, A, B, C is equal to C. Any doubt? Okay. Now with the table, if it is a three variable K map, 4 mean term group is possible. So how many variable will be there? The only one variable is there. Only one variable. C bar. Similarly, Y A B C is equal to sigma m 0 1 3 5 and 7. Okay, 0 1 3 5 and 7. Zero, one, zero, 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 one, one, one. So 0 is 0, 0, 0 is 0. So 1 meter. 0, 0, 1, 1 meter. 0, 1, 1, 3, 1 meter. 1, 0, 1, 5, 1 meter. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, first of all, check the group of 8 is possible or not. No. Why? Because 3 momentum is not defined. 3 momentum is not defined. Now, second is that group of 4 is possible. Okay, so one group of 4 is possible. Now, after creating this group, you can see one mean term is also available. One mean term is also available. So, either the possibility is that I can create a single mean term as a group, or the thing is that if we extend the group size by considering the mean term that is already used. So now, if I use this two to create a group, so that is possible. Okay, that is possible, or basically that is the we can say that we can reduce the number of inputs. Okay, we can reduce the number of, so that is a preferable. Clear? Any doubt? So two groups are possible. One is the group of 4 and one is the group of. Now we can write down the equations. So if we go with the group of 4, so value of A is changed from 0 to 1. So no change, no A is not a constant. The value of B is 0 to 1, not a constant. Value of C is 1 and 1. So the value of C is constant. So it becomes C. Now if I create a group of 2, the value of A is constant. So it becomes the A bar. Why? Because it is a 0. And value of B is also constant 0, 0. So it becomes A bar. Clear? Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Any doubts? Now one student says that, sir, I am not in the favor to consider this as a APC. A as a bottom, so as a vertical, and BC as a horizontal. So I just change the sequence. I just change the sequence. I just consider B as a downwards and AC as a. Only the position of mean term systems. B is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Now what is this one? A, B, C, 0, 0, 0. It is A, B, C, 0, 0, 1. It is A, B, C, 1, 0, 1. Initially it is a 0, 1, 1, but now it is a 1, 0. Why? Because A value is 1, B value is 0, and C value. This one is A, B, C, 1, 0, 0. Here 0, 1, 0. Okay. Here A is 0, B is 1, C is 1. Here 1, 1, 1. And here 1, 1. Now your mean terms is defined 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. So 0, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Now again create a group. The group of 4 and group of. Now for the group of 2, which one is constant? B is constant. So y is equal to B bar, and A is constant as A bar. And group of 4, only C is constant. So C plus A bar. Any doubt? Now, one more student is there, sir. I want C as a bottom side. So you can do that one. You can take C as a bottom side. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So the value is 0, 0, 0. The value is 0, 1. The value is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now the representation is 0, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Now group is one this group and one. Okay. For the 4 group downwards, the equation is y is equal to A and B both are changes for the 4 particular terms. Only C is constant, the value of C is 1. Plus for this one, A and B is the constant. So value is clear? Yes, no, any doubts?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now we go with the table. So if a 3 variable terms, 4 mean terms, group of 4 mean terms, only one variable equation variable term is there. So we can see that it is a group of 4 mean terms. So one variable is there. If it is a group of 2 mean terms, 2 variable terms is there. So if it is a group of 2 variables, 2 mean terms, 2 variable group is there. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Now we go to the 4 variables. So again the 4 variables. So again it is up to your choice where you take which variable. So if I use the A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. The equation is y a b c d is equal to sigma m 0 1 2 4 7 8 11 13. Okay. So 0 0 0 0. It is 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 Now I can write a equivalent mean term. So mean term 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13. I just take one more term with the 10 also. Okay, 10 also. So I will just now the group. First we check the corners. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 corners created. Now in this case, the corners will be possible. 2 and 3, no corner is possible. Okay. Now after corner, we have to cover this mean term. This mean term. What is the possible? 1. We have to cover this mean. So possible is okay. We have to cover this mean term. So 1 possible. We have to cover this mean term. 1 possible. Now this mean term is not covered by anyone. So create a group of create a group of single. Okay. So 1 is the group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 as a group of 2. Okay. And 2 as a group of. Now if we go with the table, so if we create a group of 4, so how many mean terms is 2 variable mean term is possible? Group of 2, 3 variable, and group of 1, 4 variables. So one term with the 2 variable, 4 terms with the 3 variable, and 2 terms with the 4 variable. Okay. So can I write down the equation for this one? So I just cancel write down this one. So y is equal to a b. Why? Because a and b both are 1 1. Value of c is 0 and value of b is 1. So c bar plus for this one a bar b c b bar b. Okay. For this group, so this will be created. This will be created. Now we'll go with this one. Okay, so group of 2. So A is constant, so A bar. C and D is constant, D bar. This is clear. Now for this group, A and B is constant, A bar, B bar, and C is constant, C bar. So this is clear. Okay. Now we go with this one. So A, B bar, because A and B is constant, and C is constant. So this is clear. Now for this group, A is constant, C is constant, and D is constant. Okay. So group of these two, group of 1 mean term, group of 2 mean term, and last remaining is the group of 4. So now group of 4. So this one and this. So how we check the which variable is constant and which variable is this. So this, this, and this. So first of all, with respect to two columns, we check first respect with respect to two columns. So C is 0 and 1, but D is 0 and 0. So D bar is the constant. If we go with the rows, so A is 0 and 1, and B is 0 and 0. So B is the constant and the okay. So in this way we can do it. Are you trying to solve it by your own? So y A B C D is equal to sigma m 0 1 3 4 5 9 12. Can you write how many groups are created? Solve. How many terms possible groups are there?
Six.
Please check that the mean term is defined in the character 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, 13. Okay? Is it okay? Now we create a group of 4. Group of 16 is not possible, group of 8 is not possible, so we go with the group of 4. So one is this one. 2. Now this mean term is remaining. So what should I do? I'll just use this mean term to create a group of. Okay. Now this is the mean term remaining, so I can use this particularly group, create a mean. Okay. Now this mean term is remaining. So if you see that either I can use this one or either I can use all 4 to increase the size of that group. Okay, so I should use this particular. So 3 group of 4 mean terms and 2 group of 2 mean terms. If any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, can we create a group of 6?
No. Group of 2 is possible, group 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 is possible. Always a power of 2 raised to power n form.
Okay, sir.
So now we can write down the equations. So y is equal to, now first of all we create an equation for this one. Okay, for group of 4 this one. So a and b both are variable, only c and d is constant, so it becomes the c bar. So this group is complete. Now we go with this particular group of 4. So a is constant 0 and c is constant 0. So a bar, c bar. So this group is complete. Okay. Now we go with this group. Okay. So now b is constant 1 and c is constant 0. So b, c bar plus, if we create a group of this, now we go with this one. So a is constant, b is constant and d is constant. A is 0, b is 0 and d is 1. So a 0, b 0 and d 1. And if we go with this particular group, so a is 1, b is 1 and d is 1. So this is the final expression. Any doubt? Yes, any doubts?
Sir, I had a doubt regarding question number 11 of week 4 grade assignment.
So the deadline is remaining now.
Yeah, sir, today is the deadline, but it's regarding if the question is right or wrong. So there are two questions. One of the questions are given 0 points if that is right or wrong.
Question number 11.
Yes, sir, the first question is the question number 2, the second question.
Yes, it is correct.
So the question number 2.
Yeah, question number 2 is correct.
But sir, it is given 0 points.
Week 4 grade assignment, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, it is a 0 point. Why it is a 0 point? Okay, so I just checked with the QP team. Yeah, question number 2 is correct. No issue with that one.
So the
0 point.
options given are
But
correct.
sir, options given are
Yeah,
not matching with the
option
answer.
given are matched. The first term you are taking that is not a b bar. It is the a bar b bar. Okay, I think you can visualize this is a AB whole bar. So it is not a AB whole bar, it is a bar, B bar, C bar.
Okay, sir.
That,
So it is A bar, B bar, C bar, not ABC whole bar, right?
No, yeah, it is not a ABC whole bar.
yes, sir.
Oh,
We were taking it as a ABC the whole
ABC
bar.
whole bar we are
No, no, no,
taking
no,
it.
no. A bar, B bar, C bar.
looking like A, B, C का whole bar.
No, no, no. A bar, B bar, C bar.
Thank you, sir. And for question number 11,
So the question number 11. Why? Now what you are asking that the option is not match or the
Sir, I am asking if the question is right or wrong.
okay. In what aspect you are asking that the option is not
Like
matched or
the options are like I haven't calculated the whole min terms and max terms, but what I can see is that I have 10 min terms are coming for SOP. But here the number of min terms for any of the options are not 10. There is only five min terms or seven min terms. Sorry, six min terms. So for the first option there are five min terms, and for the last option there are six min terms.
Sir, another thing is like we should consider it as a 3 variable or a 4 variable thing, because in the question it says
it
the
is a 3 variable is given.
It says four
Now you have
variable.
to convert it to the 4 variable.
Yes, sir. So for if I consider it to be a three variable Boolean expression, then the number of min terms coming out to be 5. After that, when I am trying to convert it to a four variable Boolean expression by writing d as d plus d bar for every min term, like I am multiplying d plus d bar to every min term of three variable Boolean expression. So for every min term there will be two more terms. So for like there will be for three variable there will be five term, and for four variable each five term will have two more min terms. Like so the total number of min terms will be 10, but none
Wait
of the
a minute,
options are 10.
wait a minute. Yeah, there is an issue in the question. Only 6 max term is possible and 10 min term is possible.
Yes, sir. But none of the options have 10 min terms.
Let me check with the. Okay. So I think there is an issue in the question. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
So I think we will stop here. So please explain previous example. So which previous example that is better? I already told you that. Please tell me because I can't see the screen chat also. So please speak. So which previous example you are asking? One student